Hey y'all, Venture Brad here. My nose and eyes hate them. The girls love the smells of them. That's why we have them. Plug it in, plug it in. So, yeah, these are one of those little air freshening thingamabobs. You stab in the wall and they constantly squirt stuff at you. Now, I'm no electronics guy, but I'm a curious guy. So I'm going to dig into this and find out. One thing you should always do when you get into something like this, microwaves, old cathode ray TVs, stay out of those. But let's check it out. Now, if you can see, it's kind of broken like this because I went, "Arr," because there's down in these holes, I don't know how well you guys can see it down in there, it's just plugs of plastic. So I don't know if there was like a tit that they squished over and melted when they did this, or really what going on. But yeah, so that's what happened. So we're just exploring by destruction. So let's get the needle nose of knowledge here. Let's see somewhere. You know what? Oh yeah, let's pull up on here. Try to. All right. Let's upgrade to the pliers of wonder. Just go to chewing, I guess, because that's how we're getting into this one. Kind of hoping that would have broke off a lot easier than it. There she goes. All right, now we're in. So this appears to be just a cover here on the front. Can't really tell. Doesn't seem to be anything active or that we care about here. All right, we have a wheel, and that looks like a heating element. Something. It looks like a ballast resistor out of a car, really small, ceramic. I'm guessing there's a coil and wire in there to create resistance. Now these things, we're not familiar with them. The top unscrews this protective cover, then it has this little wicky wick thing. And when you stab that down in here, that, I don't know, it clicks down in a little bit further. I thought it got down right next to that element. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe that's not the way it works. So anyways, let's cover this back up. I'm gonna not touch my eyes and wash my hands because this stuff's gonna screw me all up. And let's keep exploring. So we need to get this piece off. We've only broke 2 of the tabs, and that was a lot of destruction. Let's try the little nibblers of investigation. Let's see if I can't relieve this post of its purchase. Oh man, that stinks already. That's not cool. I should wait to open that till the end. I hate these things. You know, for some people they're fine, but the allergies just get the heck out of me. Alright, so there's some progress. I'm gonna keep kind of nibbling down. I know it's hard. Kind of hard to show you guys what's going on and for me to do it and all, but if you guys like this bench top kind of exploring, let me know. I know my channel's all over the place. Okay, so so that's how it works. The center of this hole where the wick comes through is offset to this thing here, so where it goes in. So that's when you're adjusting. I don't think I got it all willy wonk. Oh, it's on this side. Sorry, I'm trying to look at the viewfinder and put it all back together. So when you turn this thing, try to get the lighting better here, to adjust the little adjustment knob, what you're doing is you're moving that wick closer and closer from that heating element. So like here, it would be really close to the heating element. And then if you turned it this way, it'd be the furthest from the EDN element because those little nubby things would hold it back away. So that's how they're controlling that. That's pretty cool, simple and ingenious. I was wondering what the circuitry was going to be like in here because I was afraid I was going to have to explain to you guys something I know nothing about. So let's keep, whoa, okay, this is getting like really like bland inside. Not a whole lot going on. So let's, oh man. All right. I'm going to clip. Try to get this post out of here. I don't want to break the lower half too much. So that way we could not risk. Woohoo, yay, okay. So this is the little, and this is so depending on which orientation your wall plugs are in, if it needs to be, because I'm assuming if your plug's sideways because you're using an adapter or something, that this thing needs to be vertical to work properly, or at least to get all your juicy juice out of it. So here's, wow, here's this. So this is, okay, that's hard. That's not something, no, what? Well, while we're here, all right, here's how you make a giant mess. Let's see how well. Keep whatever's in here out of my coffee. Woohoo! Okay, so. Okay, yeah, like I guess there's just a coil of what looks like a fuse. But there's a coil wrapped around in here. And probably just terminates at each end. Yeah, so it's just a resistor, like the heating element on the back of your car window. The ceramic and sand to dissipate the heat from it. All right, so what is in here? Snip, 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 snip. What are we gonna find? I feel like we're on like Blue's Clues, like some little creatures go, whoa, okay, so this is even stupider than I thought. There's no circuitry. This thing is literally as dumb as it dumb gets. It's just a plug to each. Let's see how well they come out. So I could just show you guys this because, you know, they don't want to come just out. But it's literally just a wire to each electrical plug. There's no. It's just all the time. It heats all the time. It's just drawn in all the time. Wow. That's kind of crazy. So yeah. So, okay, so here's what it is. So I was just thinking, okay, I'm gonna have to do some math here, but it says it right here. 120 volts, 2 watts is how much you draw is at 60 hertz. So that's not a heck of a lot of draw, but that's just how it works. So it's always heating, and depending on where your wheel is how much wick gets close to this thing, and that's how much it heats and atomizes, diffuses, screws up your noses. It does. So anyways, that's what's in one of these things. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed this. If you want to see more of destruction on the bench, just for plain curiosity's sake, let me know down in DOS comments. And YouTube is horrible about keeping notifications alive and stuff, but subscribe, ring that bell. If you guys like more of this, I don't do it for anything more than just sharing cool stuff for you guys. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you guys have fun. Go out and go do something neat today. Have a good one. And because curiosity will probably kill the Brad, we are on the back porch to mitigate stink problems. We are plugged into hopefully power supply that'll trip before my circuit does. And we're gonna flip it on and see what happens when this element's exposed to air. It'll probably get hot, go flash and bang. Ready? Nothing exciting yet. Oh, no, that was untheatrical. That sucked. Don't reach down and grab it, it's hot. But we're gonna turn it off now.